The banking revolution for everyone has begun. Buy OnePay today at onepaytoken.com. In this video, we will show you how to use Lobstr to purchase your OnePay tokens. We will walk you through how to create your Lobstr account, create your Stellar wallet through Lobstr, how to add OnePay as an asset in your Stellar wallet using Lobstr, how to fund your Stellar wallet with at least 3 XLM to activate your Stellar wallet. This step is required by the Stellar network to fund and activate your Stellar wallet address for transactions. And finally, once your Stellar wallet has been activated, how to purchase OnePay and make sure your account shows your newly purchased OnePay tokens in your account. Let's get started. Click on the Get Started button. Next, fill out your email address and password and confirm password fields, and hit the Create Account button. Next, verify you are a human by selecting the images you are asked to and hit the Verify button. Once the page is done loading, you will be prompted to verify your email address. Open your email and find the Welcomes to Lobstr email that was sent to you. Once you've located that email and opened it, click on the Verify Email button to verify your email and activate your Lobstr account. Your browser will redirect to the Lobstr website, and you should see an email address has been verified window. Click on the Sign In button and enter your login email address and password and click on the Sign In button. Once you have logged into your Lobstr account, you should see your Lobstr account settings page. You can view your account settings for your wallet and profile. Under your Lobstr account settings, you can also set up your security options for your account, where you can set up 2-factor authentication for your Lobstr account. Here you can also see your notifications. On the left-hand side, you can view different menu items for your Lobstr account like Home, Send, and Receive assets through your Lobstr account. Buy lumens to fund your account, trade, transactions, contacts, and even access history. Now let's focus on creating your Stellar account so you can buy your OnePay tokens. To purchase your OnePay tokens, you will first need to create a Stellar wallet if you don't have one already. Under Settings, with the Wallet tab selected, you should see Stellar account and a green button to create Stellar wallet. Click on the Create Stellar Wallet button. This will prompt you with a window that displays your recovery phrase and tell you to save your recovery phrase. This step is very important to keeping your account and funds safe. Make sure you write down these 12 words and them securely. Remember to never share your recovery phrase and to not make digital copies of it. It is highly recommended you write it down on paper and store it in a secure place where no one else can access it. The recovery phrase gives full control over the fund on your account and can be used to access your secret key. It will allow you to recover access to your account in case of a password loss. This is the only time that the recovery phrase can be viewed. You are the only one who has access to the displayed recovery phrase. Lobstr will not be able to display the recovery phrase to you again, so make sure to write these 12 words down on paper. Again, this is very important and your recovery phrase will not be shown to you again. We repeat, write these 12 words down. Once you've done that, click the I understand that I need to save the recovery phrase checkbox and hit the Continue button. You will then be prompted to set a federation address. In this field, you can choose a short alias for your Stellar address. This short alias makes it easier for you to send and receive OnePay tokens, though it is not necessary to set a federation address. Short alias for your Stellar account. Think of this like an email address handle. The easier it is, the easier it will be to share your wallet address with others. However, we are going to skip this and not enter a short alias for our Stellar account. This allows the Stellar network to choose a random federation address for us. So choose whether you'd like to set a short alias and click Save. We're going to click the Skip button and let the Stellar network choose a randomly generated federation address for our Stellar account in this tutorial. After your Lobstr account is done loading, you will see your XLM balance and your Lobstr account homepage here. You can see assets you have added to your Stellar account and recent prices for each asset. Since we haven't added any assets yet, by default you will only see data for XLM. We must now activate our Stellar account and send at least 3 XLM to our Stellar account to activate our wallet. This step is required by the Stellar network to fund and activate your Stellar wallet address to send and receive payments, and also to activate our Stellar wallet and Stellar account to add new assets to our Stellar account. This is necessary to add OnePay asset to your Stellar account. Let's activate our Stellar account by sending some XLM to our new Stellar wallet. Click on Receive on the left-hand side where you will be presented with your Stellar address and QR code. Select Stellar address and copy this address and send XLM to this address to fund and activate your Stellar account. Now head over to your favorite app for purchasing XLM. There's a lot of exchanges and app you can use to purchase XLM. You can use Coinbase, Gemini, FTX, Binance, and many websites to purchase your XLM. You can even purchase XLM directly from your Lobstr account under BUI Lumens on the left-hand side menu to purchase XLM with a credit card. In this tutorial, we chose to purchase XLM via an app and transfer those XLM to our Stellar account address to fund and activate our newly created Stellar account through Lobstr. We chose to purchase 15 XLM and clicked Continue. We then went to the Send XLM page and chose to use the QR code scanner to send XLM to our Stellar account to fund and activate our new Stellar account from the Receive menu we had pulled up earlier in our Lobstr account. We then entered a quick note and XLM memo and clicked on Preview Send. Once we reviewed everything on the screen, we clicked the Send Now button to send XLM to our new Stellar account, and voila! Our account is now funded and activated, and a balance of 15 XLM is now present in our Stellar account on the Lobstr homepage. Success! We have now created, funded, and activated our Lobstr account and our new Stellar account and wallet. Congratulations! Now the fun part begins. Let's add OnePay as a trusted asset on our Stellar account and wallet and purchase some OnePay. Click on Assets on the left-hand side menu, and under My Assets, click on the Input field and type in OnePay. You will now see the OnePay asset in the results and should be able to just click Add from here. Instead of clicking the Add button, let's click on OnePay token to view more information about OnePay. Here you can view lots of information about OnePay. You can view the OnePay asset bio section, graphs, and charts about recent OnePay prices. You can select different time frames to view OnePay price data as well. We can also see conditions of the OnePay asset as well as market statistics such as market cap, 24-hour volume, supply, and price information. Now we're ready to add OnePay as a trusted asset in our Lobstr and Stellar account. Let's scroll back up to the top and click on the green Add Asset button to add OnePay as a trusted asset in our Stellar account. With OnePay as an added asset, we can securely buy OnePay tokens using our Lobstr and Stellar account. Awesome! We have now created a Lobstr account successfully, created a Stellar account, funded and activate our Stellar account with at least 3 XLM, and have now successfully added the OnePay asset to our account. Congratulations, you're a pro! Give yourself a pat on the back. We are now ready to rock, and more than ready to purchase our OnePay tokens. You're now one step closer to joining the decentralized banking revolution for everyone. We're now ready to purchase OnePay. We're just as excited as you are about purchasing our OnePay tokens. Congratulations on joining the decentralized banking revolution. Now let's purchase some OnePay. Click on the Trade tab under OnePay. After the Trade OnePay page is finished loading, you will see the Trade OnePay page and lots of information about OnePay. Again, here you can view graphs in different time frames about OnePay price information, as well as market statistics, the OnePay order book for both sell orders and purchase orders, and also view the new order section to create a new order to purchase OnePay whenever you're ready. We know you can't wait to purchase some OnePay. First, let's see how we can share a link to add the OnePay asset with your friends. Trust us, they'll thank you later. By sharing this QR code with your friends, they can easily add OnePay to their Stellar account so they can buy some OnePay as well. We can also create a payment QR code from this section to share with our friends so they can pay you in OnePays for whatever they might need to pay you for. Here, let's create a payment QR code for 100 OnePays. Click the Create QR Payment, enter the amount you'd like in the Amount field and select OnePay as the currency and hit the green Create QR button. Congratulations, you have just successfully created a payment QR code to share with your friends and family. Click the Done button and let's rock. Let's purchase some OnePay now. Let's click back on Assets and see that OnePay is now listed under the My Assets list. We can see that we don't have any OnePay yet and our OnePay balance is currently at 0. Let's change that and purchase some OnePay now. Click on the Trade button next to OnePay token under My Assets and wait for the Trade OnePay section to load. You're already familiar with the OnePay trade page on Lobstr, but as a reminder here, you can view price data and other important information about OnePay. Let's scroll down to the New Order section and purchase some OnePay now. Click the Buy button under the New Order section and note the different type of purchase orders that are available. You can place either a limit or market order. In this tutorial, we'll be placing a market purchase order, meaning we are creating a purchase order for OnePay at the current market price of OnePay. A limit order allows you to set the price you'd like to limit your purchase order to. This allows you to pick the price you're willing to pay for OnePay. That is very useful, however. We want to ensure our OnePay purchase is fulfilled by the order book immediately, so we select Market under Type. Next, we enter an amount under the Total field. This lets us enter how many XLM we like to trade for OnePay, which will automatically populate the amount of OnePay we are purchasing under the Amount field. We're going to enter 10 XLM in the Total field, which populated the Amount field with about 1,041 OnePays and some change at the current market price of .009599 XLM per OnePay. Note also that though we have 15 XLM in our account, the maximum available XLM for us to purchase with is 12 XLM. This is because the Stellar network requires you to maintain at least 3 XLM in your Stellar account at all times. This is also why we had to send at least 3 XLM to our Stellar account wallet to activate and fund our account. Now we're ready to hit that big green Buy OnePay button and secure our OnePay tokens. Click the green Buy OnePay button now. Congratulations, you have officially joined the decentralized banking revolution. You're one of us now. We are so proud of you for taking the first step towards decentralized banking. We are just as happy as you are with your recent OnePay purchase. Congratulations! Time to celebrate. It's official, you now own OnePay in your Stellar and Lobstr account. Congrats! Congratulations, your OnePay order has been fulfilled. Take a moment to celebrate what you have just accomplished. After all the celebration, let's verify our OnePay purchase is in our account. Click on the Home button on the left-hand side menu and wait for the Lobstr homepage to load. You can now see that our XLM balance is at 5 XLM and that we now officially hold 1,041.78 OnePay in our Stellar wallet and Lobstr account. Congratulations, you did it. You successfully purchased OnePay and now hold the future of cryptocurrencies in your Stellar wallet and Lobstr account. By selecting the OnePay tab under the Lobstr homepage, you can see price data and also verify that the OnePay you purchased is in your account. Click on Assets. You can now verify that under My Assets now shows your available balance of the OnePay purchase you just made. Congratulations! You're now an official OnePay holder. Get excited! This is just the beginning of your journey to decentralized finance. Let's now click on Transactions from the left-hand side menu and take a look at the transactions we just made. We can see the recent XLM transfer we had just made to fund and activate our Stellar and Lobstr account and to purchase OnePay. Under Received, we can see the same transaction for the 15 XLM we transferred to our account. Congratulations again! We successfully purchased OnePay. Click on Buy Lumens from the left-hand side menu. We just want to show you some extra Lobstr features. Here you can buy XLM directly from your Lobstr account using Visa or MasterCards. Just enter the amount you'd like to purchase in USD, which will show you how much XLM you can buy at the current XLM market price. This just makes it easier to purchase XLM, so you can buy more OnePay when you're ready. Congratulations! You're now an official OnePay holder. Get excited! This is just the beginning of your journey to decentralized finance. OnePay. Be your own bank. Low fees, lightning-fast transfers, and low costs. Buy now, buy OnePay on Lobstr. Buy now. The banking revolution for everyone has begun. OnePay is connecting the banked and the bankless population to the power of low fees, lightning-fast transactions and transfers, powered by the ultra-secure Stellar network. The power of decentralized finance at your fingertips. Be your own bank. OnePay brings the banking system to your pocket. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection to get started today. Buy OnePay today and join the banking revolution for everyone. Be your own bank with OnePay. We're working on an app that allows you to store your OnePay in a safe and secure wallet, OnePay Wallet. Below you can see our progress and upcoming features of the OnePay wallet. It is looking beautiful and our development team can't wait to share this web app with you. Congratulations! You're now an official OnePay holder. Get excited! This is just the beginning of your journey to decentralized finance. Buy OnePay today at onepaytoken.com.